Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Obsidian Sync, access notes across devices step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have the Obsidian application installed on your device. Open the Obsidian app. On the welcome screen, locate the settings icon, usually found in the left sidebar. Click on the settings icon to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, navigate to the sync section. If you haven't set up an account yet, click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your email and create a password. After creating your account, return to the Sync section in the Settings menu. Now, click on the Login button. Enter your email and password in the provided fields. Click the Submit button to log in. Once logged in, you will see options to configure your sync settings. Activate the sync by toggling the switch to enable it. You can choose which folders or notes you want to sync across devices. Remember to ensure that you have compatible versions of Obsidian on all your devices. On your second device, open the Obsidian app. Repeat the process by navigating to the settings and then to the sync section. Click on the Login button again. Enter your credentials and submit them. Your notes will begin syncing automatically across both devices. You can now access your notes from wherever you are. Review your sync settings periodically to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Enjoy seamless access to your notes across all devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.